So the first thing we're going to do then, once you've loaded up Microsoft Access, is to click on Blank Database, because we're going to be starting a whole new database from fresh, and today we're going to be making a table. So once this opens, there you go, we have a brand new table there, and at the moment it's called Table 1. As you can see, it's pretty blank at the moment. There's nothing in there as of yet. We've got our ID number there, which I'll explain to you more in a moment. And we also have a click to add, which is where we can start adding fields. But we're not going to do that in this view. We're going to go to Design View by clicking in the top left-hand corner. And there we go. As soon as you click on that, it will ask you to save your table. So what we're going to do is we're going to put TBL underscore. And the characters I'm making for this example are some fruit and vegetable characters. So I'm going to have fruit and veg. There we go. The TBL stands for table, so we know which one we've done there. And as you can see in Design View now, the tab at the top has changed to what we've just saved the table as. And we have our table in Design View. So the first thing that you will probably notice is the highlighted primary key up in the top left hand corner over there. And the little key symbol is also next to the ID, which is under the field name over there. Okay, so the primary key is normally an ID, and this is an auto number. And what this means is every time we add in a new character, which will be a record in our table, the number will automatically update itself. So character 1 will be number 1, character 2 will be number 2, character 3 will be number 3, etc. Okay, and these are all of the ID numbers. Okay, no two character will have the same ID number, so this is what makes it unique. Okay, so what we're going to do now is start adding in some of our field names, and these are all going to be the descriptions for our characters. So first of all, we should probably start off with their name. That'll probably be a good one to start off with. There we go. And once you click away from this, you will get a little box come up at the bottom, and all you need to do is click OK to that. You don't need to worry about that too much. There we go. It automatically comes up with a data type text, which is fab because we want to be able to type in the name of our character. So I'm going to add in some more descriptions now. We're going to go for colour over here. Let's see, we'll have juicy, I think. Let's have a look. Flavour, probably a good one, because the characters are all food. We'll have, let's see, appearance, I think, yeah, how nice our characters look. And I think we'll have healthy as well. Obviously fruit and vegetables are healthy for you, but how healthy are they going to be? So all of these ones here, apart from name, they're all going to be things that we're rating. We're going to have a rating. So these need to be a text data type of number rather than text. So all we'll do is click in the box and scroll down until we find number. And we're going to do these for all of the categories that I'm rating. So that's going to be colour, juicy, flavour, appearance and health. We'll just change those now. There we go, the last one. Okay. And now we're going to go back to Datasheet view. And as soon as you click on that, it will ask you to save your table again. So just click yes. And now the table has come up back in their original view. But obviously all of our fields are now there. So there you go, name, colour, juicy, flavour, appearance. But if you click in these ones, it asks you to type in the number. And this is okay, but it doesn't tell you what you can select from. So we're going to go back to Design View now. And we're going to make that a little bit more advanced so we can actually choose the numbers that we want. So if you go into one that has number and scroll down and now click on Lookup Wizard. And you're going to select the option that says, I will type in the values that I want. And once you've done that, you just need to click Next. And you have a box that looks like this. And all you have to do in the column is type in your values that you want to select from. So I'm going to have all of my categories out of 10. So all I'm going to do is list the numbers 1 to 10. And you can do this by clicking the down arrow so it goes down to each different box and typing them in. Or you can just click in the box and type them in that way. Click Next, and we've already got the label up there. Okay, it matches the one in our field name, which is colour. So all we need to do is click Finish, and I'm going to do the same again for juicy. So Lookup Wizard, I will type in the values that I want, and then go down and write in your numbers. Next. text. Again, the label already matches, so we're going to click Finish. And what we're going to do is show you now in Datasheet view. So again, we'll save the table. If you click in colour now, you'll notice a little drop down box, and if you click in that, all of your numbers are there. Okay, it makes it a little bit easier and you actually know what the rating is going to be out of. What I'm going to do now is go back to design view, and I'm going to add in another field name. I'm going to call it picture. So we're making top trump cards, so it'd be nice to have a picture of our character. And this data type is going to be an OLE object, and that's all you're going to need to know about that for now. You don't have to do anything else with that. Just go back to Datasheet view and save your table again. And the picture has come up on the end of the list there, but like I said, you don't have to do anything with that now. So I'm going to add in some of my characters now. I'm just going to add in a few to show you. I have Annie Apple, and I'm going to do some of her ratings now. So let's see, colour, she's quite colourful. I have an 8 for that one. Juicy, apples are fairly juicy, aren't they? I have an 8 again. Flavour, ooh, let's think. A 10, yes, 10 for flavour, delicious. Appearance, yeah, she looks okay. Health, well, you know what they say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, so we'll have 10 for that one. Okay, notice that the first ones I got to select my numbers, and obviously the last few, because I didn't do the lookup wizard, I still had to type the numbers in. So try and do those drop down menus for all of your categories. Let's have another one. Who should we have this time? We'll go for Steve Sprout. There we go, don't worry, you'll see some of these characters later on. Just got some daft names for now. And notice as I'm typing each new one in, they all have their own unique ID number. So Steve Sprout's number 2, and I'm just going to add in some numbers for him now. Flavour, nobody likes Sprout, so we'll give him a 1. Appearance, he's a Sprout, he looks alright, 3. Health, they are pretty good for you, have to be honest. So there we go. We have added in some records there. If you close down your table, you can see it comes up in the table section on the left. If you open it back up, it's all there. Okay, so I hope that's helped. That is how you create a table in Microsoft Access.